Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. I got ahead on my schedule and did my savings parts 1 and parts 2 with the 52-week savings challenge and creating a binder and everything. Binder / journal, I guess. So those 2 videos are already up. So I have a Dollar Tree haul for you and some clearance items I got at Hobby Lobby. So I thought you'd like to see what I picked up. Maybe you can go look. Maybe your stores still have these things. But Valentine's is already out for Dollar Tree and probably Hobby Lobby now. I think they were putting it out when I was shopping the other day. So I'm in my spare bedroom at the moment, and I had everything. I was working in here doing some things, so I thought, well, I'll just do my haul in here so you can see a different background. Anyway, all right, so one of the things that I found at Dollar Tree is an iron-on sheet, and it's foil. So you can do like the Cricut, or you can even use, just to let you know, you can use your die cutting machines, and you can cut out and trace with scissors even and create something. So I thought this is a pretty pink metallic foil. So I thought that would be fun. Then Dollar Tree has these cool diamond diamond, can you hear Honda? They call them gem canvas. So it's like diamond painting. So it has all your gems on the back, and it has your wax and your little tray, your little tool there. And then they had this one. They had a toucan and this beautiful tiger, and then this really pretty sunflower. So I thought, wow, what a fun find at Dollar Tree. And then I also picked up the permanent writable white sticker roll. So very cool. So if you found those, let me know if I'm curious. Also picked up for myself a couple of magnetic clips. They're white. I see the black mostly, but I wanted to get the white because I found those. Then also Dollar Tree had their Christmas 50% off. So I had these 5 gift boxes, 5 for $1.25 normally. So 50% off there because it's Christmas. Then they had the little picks. I love these little heart picks. They're fun to use in all kinds of things. And then they had this double heart wooden, like an ornament. And that's what they call it anyway. But you get 8. And fun to use on your journals on the front if you want to. So really fun. And then let's see what else. Oh yeah, they had these cute notebooks. And they are journals. And I'm not as crazy about the outside, but I love the colored paper inside. And these are all blank but lined. And I'm not sure how many sheets it is. It doesn't say. There's probably 80 sheets, I would think, at least 60 or 80. And I got the one that was pink. And then they had some notebooks that are colored as well with lined pads. And these are the nice size. These are 50 ruled sheets. 5 by 8, so these would be fun to put in your journals. Just letting you know they have those there. And then these I want to try out. You know, we've been talking about watercolor, and these are watercolor colored pencils. So you get a set of 12, and I've not ever tried any watercolor colored pencils from Dollar Tree. Let me know if you have and what you thought of them. So I have one more that I found, and I tell you what, when Busted Canvas came out, it was almost impossible to find all your stretched canvas and your artist canvas at Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and picked up 3 of each just in advance in case I want to make some Busted Canvas, because those are really awesome. And that is my Dollar Tree goodies. So from Hobby Lobby, let me show you. They had a ton of things, and I hope that you've been able to get over there. It's really fun. They have, everything was marked down and on sale just about. of their Christmas. And so I love these fun straws, and they're the extra long ones, and they're fun for parties and things like that. Then I did pick up some really cute napkins. They were all marked down as well, and they're round like candy canes or peppermints, and so fun. You get, how many do you get? 50. So, and then I did pick up a few of the small ones to go on my coffee station for hot chocolate and things like that. You can use these napkins anytime. So they were all marked down. And then I also picked up a little bell bracelet, and this was marked down. And then I did get some ribbons and twines that I can use anytime. And the ribbon and twine was all marked down. So let me show you these two. These two are really fun to use in your tassels. And it doesn't necessarily have to be Christmas. This one does have Christmas trees that are the buffalo check. And this one does have snowflakes, but you could remove those if you wanted to. This is adorable. And they were $2.98 regular price, so they were marked way down. And then this is some pretty ribbon that I picked up. I try to buy things that I can use more than just for seasonal when I can. But this is adorable ribbon right here with these Christmas trees. I hope you can see it okay. And all of that was marked down. Then I did get some of these cute bows. Who can't use bows all the time? So cute. And then stickers. I love Christmas stickers. I'm going to show you what I got. Let's see. All right, along with the stickers, I buy these when I go to Hobby Lobby. And these are all snowflakes. Fun to use, and that will be fun for January's journal. Then these beautiful flowers. These are poinsettias, but I love the white, kind of cream colored particularly. And then these are the rest of the stickers that I got. Let's see. And then these. Oh, look, I love their stickers, especially on sale stickers. Okay. And then they had these fun bags. They have snowflakes on them, and they're called candy wrappers, but, well, I don't know if they're bags, but they are candy wrappers, so they're already cut in the squares. Really fun. And then their lights were also on sale, so if you needed any mini lights, they were on sale. And lastly, some chocolate coins. So that's what I picked up at Hobby Lobby. Really good deals. And if you can get over there, you might even get them cheaper. So I hope that you enjoyed it. I don't know what's your favorite thing or what you would look for, but fun stuff, fun stuff. I love the ribbons particularly because, you know, I might not have enough ribbon, right? Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day.